Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have new Convoy flashlight. It's 3x21D with SBT90.2 LED. And it was purchased from official Convoy store, so link will be in video description. Hello friends, finally I got my hands on the new Convoy throw flashlight 3x21D with SBT90.2 LED with smooth reflector. Very big head here with deep fins. You have side button, which is kinda grayish. You have two places where you can attach the handle. The handle is very strong, doesn't move. And you have some knurling. I prefer the knurling from 3x21C. And you have star-shaped bottom of battery compartment. Inside we have three 21700 batteries. Be careful when opening it because there are batteries and on top it's a spacer. Let's put this carefully here for now. We have the spacer. And we have three batteries, 21700. I use those moly-cell batteries. Here inside we have heavy-duty springs. And let's put those back and close the flashlight. It's a bit hard to close it. Sometimes this fall off. Maybe I finally have it, yeah. And nice threads. So, big flashlight, very nice looking, good design, good finish. And now let's see the UI. UI is quite simple. One press to turn it on, one press to turn it off, double press turbo at any time. Turbo is memorized. If you leave it on turbo, put it again, it will be turbo. Now it's on smooth mode. Smooth ramping mode, if you want to change it, you have to press 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you have stepped. Hold to change modes. 3 press gives you strobe. 4 press momentary on or momentary turbo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will be, while you hold, it will shine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes back to normal mode. 5 press gives you battery check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, that was strobe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.0. 4.0 volts, so almost fully charged. And that's the UI. As I remember, 10 or 20 clicks is the lock, but you can just do like this and it will not work. Yeah, so that's how the flashlight looks. Also, I forgot to mention that this is the model I suggested Simon by sending him the 3D model. And he decided to do it, so big thanks to him for making it real and for making it happen. So, see you in item shots and later runtime graphs.
Think
I hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots and drone footage. Now we have runtime graphs, and here we have a bit to discuss. Here we do not have the stabilization as it's fed driver, but I made graph showing you that you can access turbo more than once and almost 5000 lumens. Here's the graph, and you can see it yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching my review. So some final opinion about this flashlight. I think this is a very great flashlight, and the only downside I don't like about this flashlight that it has fat driver. I prefer the stabilized brightness on throwers, but we have 28 amperes fat driver, so very strong. It gives 5500 lumens and 1800 meters of throw, so very nice. And the biggest advantage of this flashlight is the price. I don't think you can ever find something like this for this cheap. So big thanks to Simon. Yeah, next what I like that it have bigger head than the 4X18A with SBT or L8. It's a bit bigger than L8. I don't have on hand now those two, so I can't show you. But you'll have to believe me. Yeah, and that's it, guys. I like this flashlight a lot. I use it, and I will use it in the future. Let me know what is your opinion about it. Do you have maybe L8 or 4X18A and you maybe plan to buy it? Maybe you have some questions, so let me know in the comments. And for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in the next review. Goodbye, guys.